First thing you will want to do is release the hood latch and raise the hood like the mechanic is doing here. Now on the driver's side of your engine, you will notice your oil cap located on the valve cover. It says 0W20 on it, which is the recommended oil for this vehicle. You will also notice your engine oil check stick beside it as well. Go ahead and remove your oil cap by turning and pulling it out. Also, pull the check stick as well. Now we are under the vehicle. Located at the back of the oil pan, you will see a 15mm drain plug. Get a wrench or socket to remove it now. Also remember that this drains most oil from your engine, so you will need a pan to catch it in. It is also smart to make sure you don't start the vehicle until this job is finished. Now that the engine oil has mostly leaked out, we can remove the oil filter. They make many different types of tools to remove oil filters, so just use the best that you have. If the vehicle has been driven before this job, be careful because the engine oil may be hot. More oil will drain around the filter as you screw it out. To keep from making a big mess, just take it a couple turns at a time. With the oil filter removed, the mechanic is now ready to put this vehicle back together. Put the 15mm drain plug in and torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Now we are ready for the oil filter. Before installing, pour a little bit of new oil in the filter to prime before starting the vehicle. When installing the new filter, it is important to remember not to over-tighten. We recommend going hand tight, then a quarter of a turn with the oil wrench. We are now ready to add the new motor oil. These engines' oil capacity is close to 8 quarts with a new filter change. Once you have the engine full, make sure to start the truck and let it run for about 10 seconds. After shutting it off, check the oil again to make sure it is still full. Once you have the oil line in the engraved marks on your check stick, you are ready to go. Remember to tighten your oil cap back in and put the check stick back in the tube. This is how you change your engine oil on your truck. If this video helped you, then help us by giving it a like and subscribing.